What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video, and today we're going to look at a Nike Supreme collab. It is Air Trainer, brand new, beautiful shoe. Let's get into it. Let's go. So yeah, I go and buy a lot of Supreme, and I never really go for the shoes because I can't get them. Frankly, a lot of the collabs that they've done lately have been kind of, I wouldn't say trash, but just not for me. You know, like the Air Max 96, I think, wasn't that. The Air Force Ones are cool, but white on white Air Force Ones and black on black Air Force Ones, whatever. The Wallabies or the Clarks ones or whatever, not my thing. But these bad boys, look at them. Come on, Supreme. Yeah, comes in the Nike Special Edition box. There's your sizing tag, if you so choose to size it up. Air Trainer 3 lows. It's gonna be 35 years, I think, since the Air Trainer, from my research. So its fitting is coming out now like this. I went for the not so common colorway. Cool thing about it is this thing came with a whole bunch of little accessories. So this came in the box. So I just to mess with y'all, I had unboxed this already, and I lost all the footage. So I'm redoing the whole experience. I've seen the shoe already. So the paper, nice paper. Supreme Nike all over it, beautiful. But you don't wear paper. You wear shoes. So you didn't get to experience this with me the first time, but second time around, amazing. This shoe, I went for this colorway, so I could have checked out on the black ones, but I like these more. They're vibrant. They're beautiful. I really fell in love just the way it's colored, the palette. The green, this is sort of reminds me of like a Rastafarian type of vibe with the Jamaican flags and all that stuff. Beautiful. Quality is what we're looking at here, though. Quality. The leather on this is so plush. So look, you can tell good leather when it's sort of creased up already, but still kind of holds its form. So that's like natural creasing in the leather on the paint, so it's beautiful. All around the shoe, it's like that. The stiffer leather, even up on the red, is nice, where there's padding and stuff. All around the back, where it says Supreme Nike Air in green. The soles, whew, beautiful shoe, man. Got like a gray, puffy tongue. Man, this is like, I'm sure this is gonna be uber comfortable. I would say it's wide foot friendly. I would almost say, I went true to size because I don't think they had half sizes, to be honest with you. So a 13 to me would be too much. I like my shoes to feel a little snug, but if you are super wide footed, which I am, I consider myself super wide footed. This looks like there might be enough room because the upper is pretty wide there, as you can see. So it's not very narrow, and this midsole right here is got a lot of support and a nice hard counter there for you. Nicely padded here in the back, not too much, so that's why I would say you can probably go true to size. And man, it's just a beautiful shoe. Looking all around it, you'll see the details. The green swoosh, again, all premium leathers all the way around this bad boy. The Supreme, and then with the Nike on the heel stitched over it, giving it that, like, you know, cool look, as it were. Nike Supreme tag. Let's do that for the thumbnail. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful, people? You got that tab right there. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful stuff, people. Yeah, it's a fire shoe, man. I am not against it at all. I love it when Nike and Supreme do good stuff. Comes with an extra pair of green laces for that ass. And yeah, get at me in the comments. I want to hear what y'all think about this shoe. Retail for about $130. Released on October 24th. I had really no problems getting it. Got right in and right out. I wanted to order a couple of other things. They had some of that Shrek merch, like boards and stuff like that. I didn't go for either. I did go for some stuff, but they canceled my order because my credit card. No, my address was wrong, not my credit card. But another thing, just for the sake of details, if you can see that, it says Nike, Air, and Supreme on the insole. You can't see that at all, but it doesn't matter. That's pretty dope. I like it when they just add those subtle details. Yeah, like I said, 130 right now. Resell on these is not super crazy. Resell on this pair is actually slightly better than the black and green, which I thought would be. I thought the black and green would be a little bit more, pricey. But when you're looking at the bigger sizes, we're talking. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. 180, 190. Yeah. Just under 200 for this pair, and for the black and green, I think the black. I'm sorry, I was looking at the. Yeah, black and green is about. Wow. Yeah, just under 200. So these are still affordable if you want to cop. I'm gonna go cop another pair, the black and green, for myself because I like this shoe a lot. Grab both pairs. But yeah, check it out, man. Like, people are sleeping. Like, I'm a materials guy. I like premium materials. So don't sleep on these. Go get them if you like wild colors, wild color palettes, and blocking. Yeah, but it's definitely a dope collab. I'm glad I got my first Supreme shoe, and it's this one. Hit me in the comments. Tell me what you think about this. Check out the podcast. Glenn, I know you don't like it, but I love it. So, we'll talk about this on the pod. But, yeah, that's the Nike Supreme Nike Air Trainer collab. Get at us. It's another 12 Hub TV. Peace.